Supernova Outdoor Furniture 12 pieces garden, patio sofa set, wicker rattan sectional with cushions, no assembly required, aluminum frame, brown. This fits your. Enter your model number to make sure this fits. Comfortable sofa set. This contemporary outdoor sectional sofa comes with enough room to seat 8 to 10 friends comfortably with a table to hold food and drinks. Wicker finish is designed to mimic the natural look of traditional wicker furniture. Weather resistance furniture, UV protection, made with commercial grade hand-woven weather resistant P rattan wicker elegant glass tabletop. The checkered wicker sectional set also features a gorgeous tempered glass top that perfectly highlights your patio. A poolside decor, easy to clean, seat cushions with removable polyester cover for easy cleaning. Tempered glass on the table adds more convenience to clean after use. Patio furniture set is ideal for patio, porch, poolside or garden. No maintenance required. Will not crack, split, rot, chip, fade or deteriorate. No assembly required for Supernova 12 PCS Outdoor Patio Garden Brown Furniture Set. Supernova Outdoor Furniture 12 pieces garden, patio sofa set, wicker rattan sectional with cushions, no assembly required, aluminum frame, brown. For more info and special discounts please click the link below.